Hello everyone, it's Kari from sunshineinmypocket.com, and today I have another stencil series video for you using a couple of ghost stencils. I'm going to show you two ways, or tell you two ways to use these ghost stencils on your cards. This first one is a 6x6 stencil, and I just used a part of the images to create a line of ghosts. This is the Hey Boo stencil from Forte, and I just realized that I didn't get it on film. But I used this stencil to create a line on black paper using some white pigment ink. And I inked that on with a finger dauber, and it created this really ghost-like image on that black paper. I love how this looks, and I just added some white gel pen to create some highlights. I'm going to show you this next stencil. This one's called Hey Ghoul-friend. Ghoul, as in ghost, like Ghoul-friend. Super cute. This is another 6x6 stencil, and this one I'm going to use Kaleidoscope powder on. I've shared this before in videos. All you have to do is take some white sticky ink, I'm using Versamark here, and push it through your stencil, and then add your Kaleidoscope powder with a dual tip powder brush here. That's what I'm using. That's what Forte sells to apply this. You can use any brush really, but this one is super great because it goes on really nice and smooth. And so I just put that over the entire stenciled background, or I should say it's Versamarked over the stencil. So that Kaleidoscope powder will stick to the Versamark sticky ink, the clear sticky ink, and then I take my larger brush to brush off the excess Kaleidoscope powder. And what you're left with is a black background with some really spooky ghosts. They shine and glimmer with that mica powder. Look at how that shines. And then to set that, I accidentally swiped it with my finger. You can see it on that ghost there. But I set it with some cheap aerosol hairspray. I just showed you that really quickly there. And no worries about that scratch I got on there. I'm going to put my foiled sentiment right over the top. This is one of the simple sentiments from Forte. These are foilable, and I love them for a quick card. So I foiled that with a lime green foil, and I did get a little bit excess here and there, and I'm just taking my sand eraser to get rid of that excess powder. Now I'm just going to add that to a card, and to finish off this card I will use some Limewired gems. These are a bright lime green, kind of like a neon gem, and they're so beautiful and they're perfect for this Halloween card. There's our two cards. I will be putting those gems on in just a minute. I did want to talk about this one a little more. I did use a slimline die cut there with some purple glitter paper behind it. Here's those gems I was talking about. I'll link all the supplies below if you're interested. This was probably one of my fastest videos yet. Less than 5 minutes, so I'm sorry I went very quickly, but I just wanted to show you how wonderful these ghost stencils are and how easy it is to make some ghostly greetings for Halloween. So much fun. So I'm just adding those with my gem picker. It's the magic wand from Forte that's got two sides to it. I love this. I use it all the time. And that is it. So there's my two cards showing this first one here with white pigment ink and the second one using the white Kaleidoscope powder. Look how it shines. I hope you enjoyed this quick look at these stencils today for my stencil series. If you did, give me a thumbs up. It really does help with YouTube. I appreciate you coming back again and again, and I'll be back real soon with more card making inspiration. Thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye.